the tortoise, slow, steady and true. In collaboration with AutoFunnel and 11 Labs. Getting to know the tortoise. You might be wondering, what's the deal with these slow-moving creatures? First things first, let's clear up the confusion between tortoises and turtles. Many people use the terms interchangeably, but there are distinct differences. While turtles are adapted for life in the water and have sleek, streamlined, lighter shells, while tortoises are land dwellers with sturdy dome-shaped shells and are heavier and more robust. Tortoises have stubby feet with sharp claws, while turtles have webbed feet and front flippers. Tortoises are herbivores, while turtles are omnivores, eating a variety of plant and animal sources. Anyhow, these remarkable creatures have been roaming the earth for years, and they have some pretty interesting characteristics. One of the most noticeable features of a tortoise is, of course, its shell. Contrary to popular belief, a tortoise cannot crawl out of its shell. The shell is actually a part of its body, providing protection and a cozy retreat when the world gets a little too overwhelming. Tortoises are also known for their slow and deliberate movements. They take their time to savor the world around them, and that's something we can all learn from in our fast-paced lives. So, as we begin our journey into the world of tortoises, buckle up and get ready to discover the unique and endearing qualities of these amazing creatures. It's going to be a shell of a good time. Quite a celebrity, the famous tortoise. From ancient folklore to modern-day social media, tortoises have become true celebrities, stealing the hearts of people around the world. Let's slowly dive into the fascinating journey of fame for these reptiles. Meet Jonathan, the oldest known living terrestrial animal at over 187 years old, residing on the island of St. Helena. His age and enduring presence have earned him the title of a true legend in the tortoise community. Then there's Lonesome George, the last Pinta Island tortoise, who became a symbol of conservation efforts until his passing in 2012. Tortoises have also made their mark in popular culture, appearing in literature, film, and art. Who could forget Aesop's fable of the tortoise and the hare, teaching us about perseverance and determination? Or the beloved character of Madame Suliman's walking castle in Hayao Miyazaki's animated masterpiece, bringing to life the enchanting concept of a mobile home powered by a magical tortoise. But it's not only fictional portrayals that have propelled tortoises to stardom. Real-life tortoises have achieved celebrity status through their incredible journeys. Take Harriet, a Galapagos tortoise that accompanied Charles Darwin on his historic voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. Her astounding lifespan and rich history make her an icon of scientific discovery and survival. The anatomy of the tortoise: shell, nails, and dry skin. Ah, the incredible anatomy of the tortoise. Let's start with the most iconic feature, the shell. This remarkable structure isn't just a protective covering, it's part of the tortoise's skeletal system, consisting of fused ribs, vertebrae, and dermal plates. The shell grows with the tortoise, offering both protection and insulation, and is made of keratin, the same material found in human hair and nails. Now let's talk about those nails. Tortoises have strong, thick claws on their feet that are perfectly adapted for digging, gripping, and walking. These claws help them navigate various terrains and are crucial for their daily activities, such as foraging for food and nesting. As for their skin, tortoises have dry, scaly skin that's specially designed to retain moisture in arid environments. Their skin is covered in scales and can vary in colour and texture based on the species and habitat. This skin not only protects the tortoise from injuries and infections, but also helps regulate their body temperature. The amazing thing about the tortoise's anatomy is how each feature is perfectly adapted to their lifestyle. From the sturdy shell to the powerful claws and resilient skin, every aspect plays a vital role in helping these fascinating creatures thrive in their natural habitats. What's at the back? The tail and more. the world of a tortoise's hindquarters. As we explore what's at the back of a tortoise, we encounter the unique and fascinating features that make these reptiles so intriguing. Unlike some other reptiles, a tortoise's tail is relatively short and stubby. It doesn't protrude outwards like a lizard's tail, but rather tucks neatly under the protective shell. The tail serves a few essential purposes, one of which is helping with balance. When a tortoise moves, the tail provides stability, especially when navigating challenging terrain or climbing over obstacles. Now let's shift our focus to another intriguing aspect, the cloaca. Yes, it might sound like an odd word, but the cloaca plays a crucial role in a tortoise's anatomy. This single opening serves as the exit for waste and urine, as well as the reproductive tract for both males and females. It's an efficient design that serves multiple functions, allowing tortoises to thrive in their natural habitats. Moving on to the hind legs, we can't ignore the powerful muscles that enable these creatures to move with surprising agility. While tortoises are not known for their speed, their hind legs are remarkably strong, propelling them forward with deliberate determination. Observing a tortoise's hind legs in action is a testament to their resilience and adaptability in various environments. Last but certainly not least, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable patterns and textures found on a tortoise's shell. The intricate designs and unique markings tell the story of each individual tortoise, much like a fingerprint does for a human. These shells serve as more than just protection. They are a canvas of nature's artistry, captivating us with their timeless beauty. Teeth and tongue. How tortoises eat and speak. Well, sort of. While tortoises may not be known for their conversational skills, these fascinating creatures have unique ways of consuming food and conveying various messages. Let's start with the basics. A tortoise's mouth. You may have noticed that tortoises don't have teeth in the traditional sense. Instead, they possess sharp beaks and strong jaws that enable them to bite and tear through tough vegetation, such as leaves, fruits, and even small insects. Their beaks continuously grow throughout their lives, much like our fingernails, requiring regular wear from gnawing on fibrous foods. When it comes to devouring their meals, tortoises demonstrate patience and determination. They use their tongues to position food within their mouths and then utilize a backwards and forwards chewing motion to break down their sustenance into manageable pieces. They have remarkably powerful jaw muscles, which are essential for grinding tough plant matter. In terms of communication, tortoises rely on non-verbal cues to express themselves. They may hiss, grunt, or make soft blowing sounds, particularly during mating rituals or when feeling threatened. While these vocalizations may not resemble human speech, they play a crucial role in tortoise social interactions and courtship displays. Furthermore, tortoises use body language to convey their emotions and intentions. For instance, they may retract into their shells when feeling frightened or extend their necks and limbs when exploring their surroundings. New beginnings, laying eggs, and the birthing process. It all begins with courtship, as male tortoises engage in elaborate displays to win over a female. Once a female accepts a suitor, the mating ritual begins. The male does his best to impress the female with his strength and agility, often engaging in maneuvers such as gentle biting or head bobbing. After successful mating, the female will begin preparing to lay her eggs. Often she will become more active, digging multiple shallow nests to assess the best location. When she has identified the perfect spot, she will laboriously excavate a hole using her hind legs, ensuring that it provides the ideal environment for her precious cargo. The female tortoise then carefully deposits her eggs, placing them gently in the hole before covering them up with soil, leaves, or other natural materials. This process can take several hours, as the mother-to-be meticulously guards against potential threats and ensures that her offspring will have the best possible start in life. Once the eggs are safely buried, the female will diligently monitor the nest, regularly checking on the developing embryos to ensure they remain safe and undisturbed. As the days and weeks pass, the eggs will incubate, with the warmth of the surrounding environment playing a crucial role in their development. Finally, the moment arrives for the tiny tortoises to make their grand entrance into the world. With determined effort, the hatchlings emerge from their shells, greeting the world with a sense of wonder and possibility. Home sweet home, where tortoises live. Tortoises are fascinating creatures with a unique habitat that varies depending on their species. From the deserts of Africa to the grasslands of South America, tortoises have adapted to a wide range of environments. Let's take a closer look at these amazing habitats and discover the diverse homes of tortoises. 1. Desert dwelling. Some tortoise species, such as the African spurred tortoise, make their homes in the arid landscapes of deserts. These tortoises are well adapted to extremely hot and dry conditions, with their sturdy shells providing protection from predators and the harsh desert environment. 2. Tropical paradises. Other tortoise species, like the red-footed tortoise, can be found in tropical regions, such as the rainforests of South America. These lush environments provide ample vegetation for the tortoises to graze on, and the warm, humid climate suits their needs perfectly. 3. Grassland grazers. Tortoises like the leopard tortoise inhabit grasslands and savannas, where they can be seen leisurely grazing on grasses and wild plants. These open habitats offer plenty of space for tortoises to roam and bask in the sun. 4. Island retreats. Some tortoise species, such as the famous Galapagos tortoises, reside on remote islands. These isolated environments have allowed these tortoises to evolve into unique subspecies, each adapted to their specific island habitat. 5. Human homes. Many people also keep tortoises as pets, providing them with comfortable enclosures that mimic their natural habitats. With proper care, pet tortoises can thrive in captivity, enjoying a safe and secure home. No matter where they live, tortoises require a habitat that meets their specific needs, including access to food, water, shelter, and adequate space to move around. Understanding the diverse habitats of tortoises gives us valuable insight into these remarkable reptiles and their remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in various environments. Survival skills. How tortoises outsmart their predators. In the wild, tortoises face a range of predators, from birds of prey and mammals to reptiles and even humans. Despite their seemingly slow and docile nature, these resilient creatures have developed a variety of survival skills that enable them to outsmart their adversaries. One of the most remarkable tactics employed by tortoises is their exceptional ability to retreat into their sturdy shells at the first sign of danger. This protective armor serves as an effective defense mechanism, allowing the tortoise to withstand attacks from many potential threats. Some species, such as the African spurred tortoise, are also known for their impressive speed when it comes to retracting into their shell, catching predators off guard with their swift reactions. Furthermore, tortoises often display cunning behavior when faced with a threat. They may use their powerful legs and sharp claws to excavate a burrow or seek refuge in dense vegetation, making it challenging for predators to reach them. Additionally, their keen sense of hearing and sight enables them to detect predators from a distance, allowing them to take evasive action before an attack occurs. Another fascinating survival skill exhibited by tortoises is their ability to go without food and water for extended periods. During times of scarcity or drought, they can slow down their metabolism and enter a state of temporary hibernation, conserving energy and minimizing their vulnerability to predators. In some cases, tortoises have been observed emitting hissing sounds or releasing foul-smelling secretions from their musk glands as a deterrent to predators. These defensive mechanisms serve as a warning signal, deterring potential threats and keeping predators at bay. Despite their numerous natural defenses, tortoises must constantly navigate the challenges posed by their predators. Through a combination of instinctual behaviors and adaptive strategies, these remarkable creatures have thrived in their diverse habitats for millions of years, proving themselves to be masters of survival in the animal kingdom. What's on the menu? Discovering tortoise diets. When it comes to tortoise diets, these remarkable creatures have quite a specific and interesting palate. While they may not be as picky as some other animals, tortoises do have particular preferences and nutritional needs that are essential for their well-being. First and foremost, it's important to understand that tortoises are herbivores, meaning that their diet consists mainly of plant matter. This includes a variety of leafy greens, such as dandelion greens, kale, collard greens, and mustard greens. These nutrient-packed greens provide essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for the tortoise's overall health. Additionally, tortoises also enjoy munching on a variety of vegetables and fruits. Some favourite vegetables include carrots, squash, bell peppers, and cucumbers, while fruits like strawberries, apples, and melons can make for a delicious treat. It's important to note that fruits should be given in moderation due to their high sugar content. In the wild, tortoises also seek out flowers and various types of grasses to supplement their diet. These natural additions provide additional fibre and nutrients, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy diet for the tortoise. As with any animal, providing fresh, clean water is essential for the tortoise's hydration. However, it's important to note that not all tortoises are avid drinkers, and some may prefer to obtain moisture from their food. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor your tortoise's water intake and ensure they have access to water at all times. It's important to remember that the dietary needs of a tortoise can vary based on factors such as species, age, and overall health. Consulting with a veterinarian or reptile specialist is recommended to establish an appropriate and balanced diet plan for your tortoise. By understanding and respecting the dietary requirements of these fascinating creatures, we can help ensure their longevity and well-being in captivity. Fun facts, quirky and cool things about tortoises. Welcome to the fascinating world of tortoise trivia. These amazing creatures have a wealth of quirky and cool characteristics that make them truly unique. Let's dive into some fun facts about tortoises that will leave you marveling at their charm and resilience. 1. Ancient wisdom. Did you know that tortoises are among the oldest living creatures on Earth? Dating back years, these resilient reptiles have stood the test of time and continue to thrive in various habitats around the world. 2. Slow and steady wins the race. It's no secret that tortoises are known for their leisurely pace. In fact, their slow movement has become a symbol of patience and perseverance, inspiring timeless fables and stories, including the famous tale of the tortoise and the hare. 3. Age is just a number. Tortoises are renowned for their impressive longevity. Some species can live for over a century, with several individuals reaching astonishing ages of 150 years or more. Their ability to defy the effects of time is nothing short of awe-inspiring. 4. Shell shock. The tortoise's iconic shell is not just a sturdy protective armour. It also serves as a temperature-regulating shield. Contrary to popular belief, a tortoise cannot come out of its shell, as the shell is an integral part of its body structure. 5. Social creatures. While they may seem solitary at first glance, tortoises actually enjoy socializing with members of their own species. They engage in intriguing communication rituals and group interactions, showcasing a surprisingly sociable side. 6. Munching maestros. With a diverse palate ranging from leafy greens and fruits to flowers and even the occasional insect, tortoises are skilled foragers. Their varied diets contribute to their overall health and vitality. 7. Impenetrable home. When faced with danger, tortoises rely on their remarkable ability to retract into their shells, transforming into impenetrable fortresses. This natural defense mechanism has helped them survive formidable predators for eons. 8. Navigational wonders. Despite their unhurried pace, tortoises possess an innate sense of direction and are known to embark on impressive journeys across challenging terrains. Their navigation skills underscore their remarkable adaptability. 9. Gender reveal. Determining the sex of a tortoise is an intriguing process. In many species, environmental factors such as temperature play a crucial role in determining the gender of hatchlings, adding an element of surprise to their reproductive cycle.